Not long ago, Lauren met someone special. That person was Jason. 1 month into the relationship, Lauren told me that he was the one she was gonna marry. Since they have been together, I've seen a change in Lauren. She glows. There's a light inside of her that shines so bright, and I can only be described as true love.
Anyone that knows Lauren knows that she has a certain sparkle that makes her unique. That's what makes her so lovable, so kind. That sparkle will keep you two happy and in love.
Jason, his entire life has been focused, driven. He's a man of God and a man that knows what his heart wants.
I never in my lifetime thought I would be so fortunate to have met someone who deeply understands the meaning of love and companionship. Someone who is so driven to show how much they care. I love that I have you in my corner. I love having you to share my best moments with. You are my biggest supporter and my favorite person on this earth.
I loved you the first minute you showed up 45 minutes late to dinner. You were captivating. And little did I know that the most beautiful woman I'd ever met would also be so completely stunning on the inside too. And now looking back at the body of work, I have no doubt that God was preparing me for you and preparing you for me. You've become my everything. You're the color in my world. And I will love you until my last breath and with every piece of my soul.
I would like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Youngs. You make it right.
These two together, I can tell they're meant for each other. They complete each other in ways that other lacks.
But when he met her, you just knew right away. He wanted to share, he wanted to talk about her, he was so happy.
I can't tell you how happy I was walking Lauren down the aisle tonight, knowing in my heart she chose such a wonderful man. It's obvious how much you are in love with Lauren. It shows with your words and your actions, the way you look in her eyes. You see all her strengths, you celebrate her beauty, and you always let her sparkle. To Jason and Lauren, may your marriage be filled with all the wonders this world has to offer.
Hold on to your body and feel move you make. Your voice is warm and tender. I love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. We're headed for something, somewhere I've never been. Sometimes I